Hey, welcome back, my peeps. And you know you're watching Jamaican in Houston Wildlife Plus TV. Okay? All right. So I do appreciate you watching my last video. And I got these clips and I decided I want to share them with you. I know you'll find them very entertaining. So I want you to sit back and first thing before you go any further, I want you to subscribe. Just subscribe, please. It doesn't take nothing to subscribe. It doesn't take you a dime, right? Subscribe, like, and share my video, please. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Yeah, everybody, this lure, when you have a look at it, this little lure, just look at it to the size of my hand, right? And that rod right there, this, I'm gonna show you what this caught, right? You're gonna be surprised to see what it caught. Now follow me. My friend went to Black River in Jamaica. That's where we go fishing on a regular basis. You know, that's where the river meets the sea. And then we do a lot of fishing there. And that little lure that I showed you just now, this is what he caught. How much pound is this anyway?
40 pounds.
Andrew.
That's a 40 pound tarpon.
Yeah, that's Andrew right there. And that's Andrew's mom over there. She's scaling some fish over there. And this is Mr. Narrow Face. And this is a 40 pound tarpon. Right? And this is how you have to scale it. Right? Sorry you can't hold it up, Andrew.
Yeah.
So they can actually see the size of it, you know. But when he's done scaling, then he's gonna hold it up, and then we're gonna run another video and let you see the actual size of the fish, actually the height comparing to his height. You know, this is roughly about 5 feet.
No, I don't think it's 5 feet.
About 4.5 feet to 5 feet long. Yeah, that's a tarpon. All right. So that's the way we do it. When they're oversized, we have to use. That's the way you scale it. The Jamaican way. All right, the Andrew way.
Yes, Andrew way.
Yeah, that's Andrew's technique of scaling the tarpon. You know? It's a big boy right there. Wow. Okay, everybody have a look at this. That's it. All right. Get a big hook up, you know. This is a big one, huge one. So, don't know if we're going to land him, but we're going to try to land him, you know. All right, you see?
In the right, that's a,
Yeah.
it's a red. It's a red.
Huh?
It's a red.
You see that? Watch this. It's a drum.
It's a
black
big.
drum.
It's a big drum.
Oh, this one we can
So-
keep.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
This one we can keep. This is a nice
Using
keeper.
it. Woo! 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 Awesome! some. Woo! See that? That's about 10 pounds. That's about 10 pounds.
It's a good hookup, you know. Yeah, this is another big red. No, not red. I wish if it was a red.
Yeah.
This one is a drum, another drum.
Big drum.
Yeah. You put it down there. Put it down.
Yeah, I'm up on it, man. May I catch it two on? Two on there,
Watch that, watch that, watch that.
You need the net for that one.
Yeah. All right. Wish if this was a red.
You think they were mad? Man.
Another big one. Why you never had a black spot here, some man? Sure. Damn. Alright, this one is it's a black drum. And this size, when they are this size, I don't really keep them, you know, because there's more to it than just being a big fish.
Right.
You know, they have sometimes when they're this huge, they have parasites in the flesh, worms in the flesh. So this one is gonna go back. So if you want to, I'm gonna release.
Gonna release it into the ocean. Yeah.
So, see, it's a big drum, big drum.
Wow.
All right, say hi, hello, and say goodbye. Bye.
Bye.
All right. There you go.
Don't come
back. See?
Do not come back on the.
See?
Oh God.
Disappear. All right. Yes. Black drum I ever caught. And look at this. Damn.
Yeah, turn around, that's all. See you there.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
This probably is about over 30 inches long. Pretty heavy. Can't tell how much pounds. But this happened to be the biggest black drum I ever caught. Yeah. This is a monster. See?
Yeah.
All
Pretty.
Right. I need to clear. It. All right. Okay. There you go.
Yeah.
All right out there. So sorry, this wasn't a red, you know, but this one is a big one, huge monster. All right, we'll put some measurement to it and see how much inches.
All right. All right. Look at that. That is a monster. Hold it. Right in the mouth. Jeez. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. That is a big guy. That's a huge one. Right. I'm gonna put some measurement to it and see exactly how much it measures. Yeah, rule on this. All right, we'll get back to you guys. All right.
Yeah, today wasn't a bad day at all. See that one? Still trying to live. Fighting to live. See me? It's still alive. You see that? Watch the gill going in and out. Anyway, this is inside of my cooler right now. See? Yep. I never go on bad today at all. I'm tell you, say all the way down from deep down come up. It's just fish all the way. See? All the way right down to the bottom. Fish. And this one is my favorite. The red. That's my favorite, the red. That big one right there. Yeah, so as far as you can look down on the bottom right there is fish. You see? Fish going all the way down there, all the way down. Beat them bad to the man. Almost a full cooler. And unfortunately, I couldn't take home the biggest prize. Right? Caught a bull red, and I couldn't take it home because the game water was right there on spot when I caught it. Unfortunately, that one was over 50 odd inches. Big fish. You know, big fish, and I had to put it back. You know, unfortunately, I couldn't take that one. It was too big. And you don't know, America. This is how it is. You know, especially the game waters was they were right on spot. Yeah, that's that's the catch, right? That's what I caught today. That's, let's see, as much as you can see here. Big size fish them. Most of these fish they're over 18, 16, 4, 16 inches, 18 inches. See, big fish. You look at the size of my hand. You see? See the tail of the fish over here is almost to my elbow. This one is about, this one, oh yeah, I forget the game water measure this one. This one was 25 inches long, this one. See, it stretched from one end of the cooler to the other end over there, long, diagonal. See, from one corner here to the other corner over there. It's a big cooler. Alright, so that's my catch for today. It was a success.